Radhe Radhe. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English Learning by Shubhankar. I hope all of you fine and I am also fine by the grace of my all friends. So friends, today I have come with my another video and it is very interesting video. So let's sit in the end. So friends, today I and my friend went out for some work. It got quite late and we noticed the sky was covered with dark clouds. We quickly started heading back home. As you can see, the clouds were getting dark. So I decided to record this beautiful, interesting moment for you because we are riding a bike. The strong wind made it difficult to record the video. As you can see, it became very windy and soon it started raining heavily. Honestly, the dark cloud just before the rain looked really beautiful. Let me know in the comments how you liked this view. So finally the rain became so heavy and at last we had to stop our bike and take shelter in a nearby shop. Our bike is still parked by the roadside and until the rain slows down we cannot continue our journey. I also got completely wet, so I will end today's video here. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And at the last of my video, I will tell you stay well and healthy. Thanks for watching. Radhe.